Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Cash App on iPhone. So to download the Cash App on iPhone, what you have to do is go to the App Store on your iPhone. So if you are in eligible countries such like United States, United Kingdom, you'll be able to download Cash App easily on your iPhone. So here you can just search for Cash App for iPhone, and here you can see it redirects us to App Store. And once you go there, here you can see the Cash App application, but this application is not available in my country. So this is it. What you have to do is go to the App Store from your iPhone and search for Cash App over there as well. So once you do that, you will be able to download the Cash App on your iPhone. So the second website, it's just Google Play Store. If you are using Android, you can just download the Cash App from your Play Store as well. But if you are on iPhone, you can just go to your App Store and download the Cash App from there and start using it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.